Meteorologist Zach Hatcher. I'm going to take you through the 18-hour loop here on radar as this line of storms pushed through the Delta last night. At about 4 this morning, there were several warnings still lined up along the Mississippi River as this continued to push through the area. There was a tornado watch at that time, and look how slow this line of storms moved through. It was very slow to move through, and that's what helped contributed to the flash flood threat, and we did have some flash flood warnings as well. But right now, we are in the clear, only a few light sprinkles in some of our eastern and southern counties. We're going to remain that way for the rest of tomorrow. We could see some more sunshine tomorrow, and then quiet weather is on the way, and the rain chances are going down for the rest of the week. But there is another chance for storms next weekend. It's still several days out, but there is a risk for those. Let's look at temperatures right now. Cooling off kind of quickly, already down to 50 in Greenville, 55 in both Grenada and Greenwood, and 52 in Coahoma County. We will see temperatures drop off another 3 to 5 degrees overnight. It's going to feel a little chilly as you're walking outside around 6 or 7 tomorrow morning, maybe to catch that sunrise. If you do that, it'll be cold. You might need the jacket. 41 degrees by 7 a.m. This is unseasonably cool, about 10 to 12 degrees below the average low for this time of year. Definitely unusual. By noon, we're going to have a wind kicking out of the northwest at 20 to 25 miles an hour. We could get the occasional gust of 35 miles an hour. We're not really going to warm up much at all. By 5 p.m., we could be at 56 degrees with that dry breeze still going throughout the Delta, and we're going to see dry air continue to be filtered in. Here's a upper level look and a surface look. So what we have here, the pressures on this map are surface pressures, but the white lines, these are upper level winds. So we have an upper level trough centered in the central United States. That's going to continue to help push this line of storms off to the east coast. Along with that cold front, then we're going to see upper level ridging build into the area. And what that means is we're going to have dry and quiet weather move in for the week. And so we're going to see that here in a few days. Compared to last night, we are about 20 degrees below the temperature that we had at this point last night, and about 23 below that in Clarksdale. Now, Randolph sent this in. I thought this was pretty cool, how lightning just struck this tree in his yard. You can see the very visible like claw marks in this tree. That's what lightning can do. That's why whenever there's a lightning and storms, you really want to seek shelter immediately. This is just an example of that. You definitely don't want to play around with those severe storms. Futurecast shows us drying out. We got that wind coming back out of the west-northwest tomorrow, bringing in some dry air. High pressure is building in. Things are going to be looking up over the next several days. High pressure in the center of the United States is going to play in our favor. We get those winds back out of the southwest, bringing in some moisture for the middle part of our week. Another cold front tries to swing through, and it will bring in just a light chance of rain, maybe some light rain and sprinkles on Wednesday, maybe Wednesday night, depending on the timing of this cold front. Lows tonight are going to be about 40 area-wide, shown here, and about 41 in Clarksdale and 39 out in Pine Bluff. That's pretty chilly for this time of year. Tomorrow we're going to be in the 50s, not going to warm up any more than that, unfortunately, but warmer air is on the way. 52 tomorrow in Cleveland, 56 here in Greenville. It will be a little windy tomorrow and Tuesday, but the rain chance stays away at least until Wednesday at about a 20% chance. But we bring back the 70s, 76 on Tuesday and Wednesday, and that rain chance really comes back on Saturday at about 50%. So we're going to have to look at that chance for thunderstorms again next weekend. But we're in the clear for now.
All right, you know, I was taking a look at that picture, and that was really amazing. It looked like you said, claw marks, and I bet that was pretty scary for those guys too, right?
Yeah, I would be just running like for the nearest shelter.
Definitely. All right, thank you so much, Zach.